This is Tokyo Station in Japan. Today I'm going to take a green car, an upgraded seat of Japan Railways, to Musashi Kosugi in Kawasaki, in Kanagawa Prefecture to eat ramen. To get on a green car, you need to buy green tickets directly from the fair. Green tickets can be purchased at home as well as at regular ticket machine. You can also buy it after you get on the train. However, if you purchase after getting on the train, the price will be higher, so be careful. Today I buy it at home. If you have an IC card such as Suica or Pasmo, write the green ticket information on the IC card. The train to get on today has arrived. They are Yokosuka line. Departure from Seoul Underground platform at Tokyo Station. Green cars have unreserved seats. The front seat of the second floor is vacant, so I'll sit here. When you get to your seat, touch the IC card on the sensor above your seat to complete the boarding procedure. I left. It's an underground line for a while from here. The train arrived at Shimbashi Station. Shimbashi Station is also an underground platform. I left Shimbashi Station. It will rise to the ground soon. It finally came up to the ground. It will arrive at Kanagawa Station soon. The train arrived at Kanagawa Station. I left Kanagawa Station. Musashi Kosugi Station is 2 stops away. Next to it is the Tokaido Shinkansen line. The Yokosuka line will run parallel to the Tokaido Shinkansen to Musashi Kosugi Station. It's a little hard to see, but the track under this track are the Keihin Tohoku line and the Tokaido line. I ran side by side to Kanagawa Station, but the route is divided here. The river below this is the Mego River. It's one of the leading cherry blossom viewing spots in Tokyo. This track, which is currently running, the section from Kanagawa Station to Tsurumi Station was originally developed as a track for freight trains. During the period of high economic miracle, the rush hour of commuting on the Tokaido main line, since 1980, freight train tracks have been used for passenger trains as part of the improvement measures. The tracks below this are the Yamanote Freight Line, which runs through the Shonan Shinjuku Line, and the Rinkai Line, which is Tokyo Seaside High-Speed Railway. The Yamanote Freight line that was visible will merge here. The track that I just passed through is the Tokyo Oimachi line. The train arrived at Nishi-Oi Station. The train crosses the Tama River and enters Kanagawa Prefecture. It will be Musashi Kosugi Station shortly after crossing the river. Musashi Kosugi Station has a surprisingly large number of lines, including the Yokosuka line, JR1 line, Shonan Shinjuku line, Southwest line direct, Tokyo line, and Meguro line. Therefore, you can go to Tokyo Station, Shibuya Station, Shinjuku Station, Kawasaki Station, and Yokohama Station, which are the main stations of Tokyo and Kanagawa, without changing trains. I think this is a very convenient station. In addition, it's also a stop for the Narita Express, so you can go to Narita Airport with just one train. Below you can see the JR Nambu line. Arrived at Musashi Kosugi. Then I'd like to go eat ramen from now on. The ramen shop is very close to the station. I'd like to go to this shop. Ramen is here. I ordered a special soy sauce ramen with various ingredients in soy sauce ramen. The soup and noodles were very good, but I personally liked the low temperature cooked char siu and the big men. It was very delicious. This video ends here. Thank you for visiting.